Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to clear all cache temp and junk files in Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open start menu and I just go to settings option. Once I go to the settings option, there will be plenty of settings will be available in Windows 11. Now I just want to direct into systems. So in your left hand side corner, you will find a systems option. There will be plenty of option will be there. Just go to storage. Once you click a storage option, there will be a installed app, temporary files and others will be there. So if you wait for some time, it will direct you to how many GBs and how many MBs will be stored in temporary files. So the temporary file has a entire dump file, junk file and cache files will be there. So wait few minutes, you can able to understand and you can get how many GBs or files will be captured in your Windows. As you see here, totally 40 GBs of temporary files in storage. So just click the button here, so automatically it will move into the system storage temporary files, as you see here. So totally 127 GB, that is download is 40 GB. So if you want, you can delete download also. Otherwise, if you want to store a personal data, means just remove the tick. Otherwise, tick all the system errors and thumbnails and delivery options and recycle bin if you want to remove from the recycle bin, directory shades and every temporary files on the internet, and Microsoft Defender, everything, temporary files, everything you want to, you can delete according to that. So whatever you want you can add, whatever you don't want you just remove, as I say. So just click here for remove files. Automatically it will ask you select the files will be delete permanently. Yes, just continue. So while you press all the things, automatically it will remove and your system will be free and dump free and junk free, so that it is easy to have access with the free and fast of your Windows 11. If you like the tips, please share with your friends, subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.